Hello friends, welcome back to a new video. Big news for construction workers. Want to move to Canada? Alberta just made it easier. Alberta PNP just invited 39 skilled construction workers through the express entry stream. Minimum score? Just 66. Must have a job offer in construction, be an express entry, meet eligibility under AAIP. Want to know if you qualify? Tap the link to check your eligibility now. More draws coming in 2025. Don't miss your chance. Follow for more Canada immigration updates, and don't forget to like and share this video. And if you need help, book a consultation before it's too late.